Supposed to check the battery voltage with the tractor off first, and that'll tell you if the battery voltage is showing you as the DC volts.
Let's do that before I crank it.
Decide, does it come up?
Do you need a blinding light?
No.
See my blinding light?
Go ahead.
What we're doing first is just go over and check the DC voltage on the battery.
Now that you know that, that's a positive ground. So that one over on your side should be positive.
Yeah, see, it's showing the negative 6.23. So it's, I guess this way, the opposite way. If I run it through this way, it should show positive 6.23. Yeah. So your voltage on your battery is showing good. So basically what it says that you state you got to do next is crank your tractor.
I'll back it outside.
Okay, we're going to back outside now.
Better.
And then that way we can check see if the generator's right. Basically that's all we're doing. Beat that tractor in from 1950, though, can you? Or 1954. Got the fuel on? Got what? The fuel turned on? I know you do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check the DC volts again on the battery with the tractor running to see if it's showing an increase in voltage. And if it's showing an increase in voltage, then in DC volts, then you'll know your generator's working correctly. Showing 6.1, so something's wrong over here. It's either according to what I was reading, it's either a voltage regulator or your generator, because you're still showing 6.1 on here, which is not showing an increase on the voltage on your battery. If it's charging, you should see 7.
The voltage regulator is brand new. And the generator is a year old.
Have you checked all the wiring? Make sure you ain't got no cuts in your wires or anything like that. See, that was another thing it was stating.
Alan put it on there, so I don't know what to check. Can you check the generator, see if it is producing?
Did I put out a AC or a DC voltage, you know, generator? I don't know what's what on here. Well, I guess it's... Yeah, I don't know enough to tell you if that's doing anything or not. That should be AC volts, shouldn't it? I guess I might do some more reading.
Okay, go ahead.
Basically, we just checked the DC voltage on the battery and determined that the battery had a good charge, a good DC charge. But then when we turned the tractor on and checked the DC voltage again, it wasn't showing an increase, which means we've got a problem somewhere else with either a voltage regulator or the generator itself, or it could be the wiring. So that's what we're getting ready to check next.
Where's the voltage regulator at on this thing, do you know? I think it's up in here where you have, right in there is the, all in here left, so let's see what it looks like. I think it's up in there.
Then you have to remove the fan belt
Yeah, let's not.
and connect the battery terminal D to the generator.
Let's not get into all that, Nick.
I'm sorry, I thought I was going to do something amazing here.
I'm gonna